Good evening. This is Ashish here. Register number UR15CS0238. Today I am going to explain you about data structure program which is related to array implementation of a stack. The question states that to demonstrate the working of a stack of size n using an array, the element of the stack may be assumed to be of type integer. The operation of are to be supported are push, pop, display. The program should print it appropriate message for a stack overflow and stack underflow. Now I'm going to show you the program which states like this. In this I have used the header file #include iostream using namespace std, void pop. I use the pop as void, push, display, etc. as used as a void. Then int pop is equal to -1. Then size, I have declared size, data, stack of array. In array, then I've used the main function as integer data type, then choice as integer data type, then character. Then I given the first cout statement as enter the size of a stack. Then I've given the same as scene the size. Then I've used the do while loop. In do loop, I've used given the first cout statement as push. What we have to choose, whether you have to push, pop, or display. Then in cout again, I've given the enter the choice. Then I used here switch condition in switch loop. In switch, I've given the first case as enter the element to be pushed. If I've given the scene as data and push data, and then I use the break statement. In case 2, same as pop, and in case 3, the elements are, we have to display the elements which are in default. I've given the invalid cout as invalid entry. Then I given again cout statement that do you want to continue. If we want to continue, then press Y. Then given cn as a character. Then I use the while ch is equal to y. Then I've given return statement. Now it is void push integer data. If I've used the if condition, in this if top is equal to size -1, then cout is stack is overflow. Else the stack plus top is equal to data. Then I use void if top is equal to -1, cout is stack is empty. Then else the deleted item is deleted element is stack of top. Then top minus. Then again void display if top is equal to -1, cout stack is empty. Else for int I is equal to 0, I less than top, I plus cout stack of I/n. Then I'm going to build and run the program. Here is the output string. Int is written there the size of a stack. Now I'm giving the size as 3. It is asking whether we have to push, pop, or display. I'm going to push. I have entered the choice 1. Enter the element that we have to push. Then I have entered 1, 2, 3. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Then again it is asking whether to push, pop, or display. Then again I have to push. Again I am going to enter element. Again I am going to yes. Now it's telling the same as push, pop, or display. Now I am going to as pop. I will pop out, and as you can see that it is shown that the deleted element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Then again I'm going to display the now I'm going to put the 3. The element are 1, 2, 3. Do you want to continue? No, I don't want to continue. Then it is come out of the output screen. Now I'm going to explain you about the implementation of a stack, which is basically the application. The application states that a palindrome checker using a stack. We have to get a name and reverse it using a stack. Check whether both the name and the reverse name are the same. If it is, push it into another stack name palindrome stack. Do this for n number of string. Then print all palindrome string in left in LIFO order, last in first order. Okay, now I'm going to show you the program. This is my palindrome program, which includes starts with the header file #include iostream using namespace std. Then I use the string #include iostring. Then I use the stdio standard input output function. Then I have given the void push character, then character pop, then character stack. I have given the stack value as 100. Then int pop is equal to -1. Then I use the main function as integer data type. In this string is of 100 length. I given the string length as 100. It is of character data type. Then I given int I, cout is equal to 0. Then len denotes the length of the string. Then character ch. Then I use the do while loop. Then in do loop I have given the cout as enter the string to check it is the palindrome or not. Then it is get string. Then it is showing the length is equal to string length. len is equal to string length of a string. So I use the for statement in this I is equal to 0, I less than length and I plus plus. Then I've given the push string of I. Then again for I is equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. In this if condition, string of I is equal to pop. Then count C plus plus. If count is equal to length, then cout is it is palindrome, else cout will be it is not palindrome. Cout, I have given another cout statement as want to check for more. If yes, then we have to press Y. Then I have given return statement. Then again void push character stat plus plus top is equal to C. Then character pop return stat top minus minus. Now I'm going to build the program. At this time, it is the output screen. It is asking that enter the string to check it is palindrome or not. I'm going to check Malayalam. Here it is Malayalam. It is done that it is palindrome. I want to check for more. No, I don't want to check for more. It will come out to the output string. Thank you.